Hi guys, this is Zeffi and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is fine. Today video is based on dark neumorphic home screen and I hope you all love it. Before starting the video, I have a little request to everyone: subscribe my YouTube channel, also follow me on Instagram and Telegram. The link of the social accounts are added in the video description. Without any further delay, let's start the video. First, have a look on the setup. Now download the required apps. Nova Launcher, Nova Launcher Prime, Custom Widget and Custom Widget Pro. The widget I used for this setup is Fusion Custom Widget Pack and the other is Chocolate Custom Widget Pack. And the icon pack I used for this setup is Athena Dark Icon Pack. And you can also use ZArchiver or any other file manager which has an extract feature. Now let's begin the tutorial. First, open any browser and go to my website, which is www.zeffisetups.com. After opening the site, go to the mega menu . Open the dark neumorphism post and download the zip folder. Like always, I already downloaded the zip file, so I am going back to the main screen. Now open the ZArchiver, go to the download folder and extract the zip file like this one. After that, go back to the main screen, open the Nova settings, go to the backup and restore, open restore backup and select the backup file from the downloaded folder. Tap on it, then press OK. Now pinch in the screen, tap on the wallpapers, go to the pick image and select the wallpaper from the same folder, the black one. After that, tap on the first widget, open the search and type 00126. Tap on the Fusion widget, go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disable block touch, then press save button. Now tap on the second widget, open the search and type 00128. Tap on the Fusion widget, go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disable block touch, then press save button. Tap on the third widget, open the search bar, search for 00120. Open Fusion widget, go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disable block touch, then press save button. Now tap on the fourth widget, open the search and type 00119. Open the widget. First, go to the globals, add your name, then add your profile picture. You can use your own profile image or you can use mine, which I used for this setup. Now go to the items, open overlap group, open position, change its anchor to center. After that, go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disable block touch, then press save button. Now tap on the fifth widget, open search and type Tetra02. Tap on the chocolate widget. First, go to the layer and edit its scale to 120. After that, go to globals. First, we will replace its background color. Type FF 131518. Then tap on apply. Time is also available in first widget, so we have to replace the time with date. Only the date is missing. Open this tag group. Open first tag group. Go to the second overlap group and replace its time. Remove the year, then press OK. Now go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disable block touch, then press save button. Now tap on the last widget, open the search and type 00090. Open the chocolate widget, open stack group, again open first tag group, remove the double text. After that, remove the second stack group and go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disable block touch, then press save button. So guys, this is your dark neumorphism setup and I hope you all love it. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Also share this video to your friends who are customization lovers. We'll see you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.